Filterless humidifiers are a convenient and low-maintenance way to add moisture to your home without the hassle of replacing filters. They are designed to quietly improve air quality, reduce dryness, and provide relief for allergies, dry skin, and respiratory discomfort. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices, the best filterless humidifiers combine efficiency, ease of use, and modern design for a healthier, more comfortable indoor environment. Starting at number 1, Everlasting Comfort 6L Humidifier. The Everlasting Comfort 6L Humidifier is a versatile filterless humidifier ideal for large rooms up to 500 square feet, bedrooms, nurseries, or whole house coverage. Its 6-liter tank provides up to 50 hours of continuous ultrasonic cool mist, making it convenient for long run times without frequent refills. Designed without disposable filters, it is easy to clean and maintain, saving on replacement costs while ensuring efficient operation. The humidifier features adjustable mist output with a 360-degree rotating nozzle for even coverage, whisper quiet operation for undisturbed sleep, and a built-in tray for essential oils to double as an aromatherapy diffuser. Additional features include auto shutoff for safety, a night light, and leak-proof design, making it suitable for homes with babies, pets, or indoor plants. While filterless models may produce mineral white dust if tap water is used, this can be minimized with distilled water, and regular cleaning ensures optimal performance and healthy indoor air. Number 2, LEVOIT Humidifiers. The LEVOIT 6L Warm and Cool Mist ultrasonic humidifier is designed for large rooms up to 753 square feet, providing up to 50 hours of continuous humidification with its spacious 6-liter tank. It features both warm and cool mist modes, making it suitable for year-round use. Cool mist for refreshing humidity in warmer months, and warm mist for soothing moisture in colder, dry conditions. The built-in humidity sensor in auto mode adjusts the mist output automatically to maintain your preferred humidity level, ensuring consistent comfort without constant monitoring. With a mist output of up to 500 mmHg, whisper quiet operation, remote control, timer, and an essential oil diffuser, it combines convenience and versatility for bedrooms, living rooms, or whole house use. This humidifier is ideal for improving indoor air quality for babies, plants, and sensitive household members while providing customizable hands-free operation. Number 3, Pure Enrichment MistAire Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment MistAire Silver Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is a compact and efficient solution for small to medium indoor spaces up to 250 square feet, including bedrooms, offices, nurseries, and living areas. Its 1.5-liter tank provides up to 25 hours of continuous mist on low settings, delivering fine 360-degree rotating cool mist to relieve dryness, congestion, and sinus discomfort. Whisper quiet operation and an optional nightlight make it ideal for overnight use, while the automatic shutoff ensures safety when water runs low. Made from BPA-free materials and featuring an easy fill, easy clean design, this ultrasonic humidifier combines convenience, safety, and comfort, making it a reliable choice for improving indoor air quality and promoting better sleep. Number 4, LEVOIT OasisMist 1000S Smart Humidifier. The LEVOIT OasisMist 1000S Smart Humidifier is a high-capacity ultrasonic humidifier with a 10-liter tank that can run up to 100 hours on a single fill, making it ideal for large rooms up to 600 feet. It provides a mist output of approximately 350 ml with a tall 5-foot mist plume for thorough humidity coverage, while the top fill design makes refilling and cleaning simple and spill-free. This smart humidifier offers app, remote, and voice control, allowing users to set schedules, adjust humidity levels, and choose specialized modes such as plant mode, aroma mode, sleep mode, and auto mode for optimal comfort. Whisper quiet operation ensures it can be used in bedrooms, nurseries, or offices without disturbance. With its combination of long runtime, smart features, and versatile modes, the OasisMist 1000S is an excellent choice for large room humidification, indoor plant care, and all-day home comfort. Number 5, KNKA Air Purifier. The KNKA APH4000 Air Purifier is a high-capacity HEPA air purifier designed for large spaces up to 3,500 feet, capable of circulating and cleaning the air in about an hour. It features a 3-stage filtration system with a washable pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and activated carbon layer to capture dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and odors effectively. The unit includes real-time air quality monitoring with an AQI display, multiple modes modes such as PT, Eco, Auto, and Sleep, and adjustable fan speeds for customized operation. Whisper quiet performance as low as 22-24 dB in sleep mode makes it suitable for bedrooms, offices, and nurseries, while the filter replacement indicator ensures hassle-free maintenance. With its combination of powerful purification, versatile modes, and large coverage area, the KNKA APH4000 is an excellent choice for homes with pets, allergy sufferers, or anyone seeking cleaner indoor air.